What is going on YouTube? So we have the Insta360 ×5 travel bundle unboxing. Been meaning to get one of these for like years. We went to Costco the other day and they had the 4 for $300, something like that. Went to buy it, sold out, got mad. Came home, see if I can find it anywhere else, and then realised there's a number 5 out, so I thought, okay, I'm just gonna go for it. So, how do we open this? So I thought I'd do an unboxing video. I know there's like loads of videos already of people showing how it works. Obviously I have no idea, this is my first ever Insta360. I've had like plenty of GoPros, maybe like 5 or 6 over the years. Okay, here we go. So I'll keep moving there. Hopefully everything's in here. Anything else in there? Oh yeah. Can't remember the price, but I got this directly from Insta. There's my own invoice. So here's all the bits: carry case, memory card, the actual camera, cleaning cloth, the stickers, lens cap, and I did actually the other day order an extra battery, and I got like a little tripod thing that goes to the back of the bottom of this. So let's have a quick look at the stick. This is everything you get in the travel bundle. Okay, so there's the selfie stick that is invisible. Obviously I'll figure it out. I'm sure it goes up higher than that. We'll figure it out, but yeah, the selfie stick. Need a knife. The lens cap is kind of huge. Lens cap. So we'll look at the travel case. Quite a big travel case, isn't it? Nice little travel case. Official swag, so obviously that's gonna go. No, it's not. Wasn't that fitting there? Oh well, we'll figure it out. So there's a travel case. What's left now? What's left now is the actual camera. Put this away for here. That's kind of stupid if it doesn't fit in the travel case. There it is. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be actually. Show the show you the box. This is gonna be super cool. Hopefully it's gonna be super cool. It's actually quite heavy as well. Way heavier than a GoPro. 360 camera. So you can see me in all my glory. And obviously the travel protection thing. Because people say that the lenses can scratch quite a bit. But this one, the number 5, you can actually take the lenses off. And change the lens, buy new lenses and put them on. Nothing else in there. I'll just chuck those stickers in there. So I'm guessing this is the, using the camera, little pouch. Oh, that's cool, you get like a little pouch for it as well. More cleaning cloths. Does it fit in there? It looks too big. It's not going to fit in there with that though, is it? Oh, breathe in, a little bit snug. Oh, that's cool, nice little pouch. Put the thing back on there because I keep thinking I'm going to scratch it. So you're ready for great things in the channel, hopefully. Charging cable. Like I said, I already ordered a separate battery which you then get in a little cheap kind of scares me a bit, this whole thing, because it's a whole new, because I'm so used to GoPros and a whole new way of doing everything. Oh, a little Allen key there. So I got this just like a generic, off Amazon. But that screws in the bottom of there. Rubber feet. They can just stand up. Very nice. So that was pretty much it. I don't really know what else I was supposed to show. That's what you get in the treble bundle. I'm not sure if does this fit with this in here? Oh yeah, at least that fits in there. Just about. Not sure why the stick doesn't fit in there. I was trying to figure out how to extend the stick. Oh, you just literally pull it. It's like one of them police buttons, isn't it? But yeah. Don't know what that's about. But at least we know how to do all this business. Let's see, that goes on there. I can't believe how heavy it is. It's really heavy. But yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.